Alright guys, so here we are, we're outside, and we are going to take a quick look here. And I noticed some of these tomato hornworms that are out here. So let's take a quick look at what it looks like first when you're outside. So I'm not sure how well the camera's picking this up, but you can see that the camera, that's what it looks like. But when you come across something like an insect or a tomato hornworm or any kind of an insect like that, you'll see it brighten up. Let's see. Where would there be a tomato hornworm? Okay, so you got one right there. Now, can you see that? You see how that it brightens up? You see that spot right there? Look right over there. Come on. Okay, there's one right there. So you can't see it normally, right? But as soon as I hit him with the lens, you can see him light up. I'll tell you what, guys, this light is a lifesaver when it comes to tomato plants. I believe it does this with slugs as well. If I see some slugs, I'll give them a shine. But that's it right there. That's what it looks like. And you know, from a distance, you know, you'll be looking around. Boom! You see how you can see that in the background? You see how when your light passes, you see them? That's how you find them. So let's wrap it up and give you my opinion.